In a cozy garage filled with bright screens and hopeful dreams, a group of young innovators works tirelessly. Every click and beep echoes their ambition to create something that could change lives forever. With a deadline looming, the team dives into a whirlwind of creativity. They exchange ideas, each member contributing a unique perspective, pushing each other to think bigger and bolder. This garage is not just a workspace, it's a sanctuary of dreams. Here, every laugh and debate builds a bond stronger than the tech they are creating. As the launch day draws near, tension fills the air. Every character knows the stakes, and the pressure to deliver weighs heavily on their shoulders. Moments of doubt emerge, but when they see the prototype come to life, hope ignites. Their hard work reflects the potential impact on users everywhere. The team practices their big presentation, laughter breaking the tension. They realize that despite their fears, they are in this together, united by a shared dream. Yet, the reality dawns. Change is coming. This moment is bittersweet as they prepare to step into the future, knowing their paths may diverge. In a powerful ritual, they place their hands together, a symbol of their journey. They promise to support one another, no matter where their careers take them. As the sun rises over the horizon, they step out into the world, filled with hope. They know that their dreams are only just beginning. The moment arrives. Their app is live, and the first notifications flood in, marking a successful launch. A thrill rushes through them. Their hard work has paid off. Feedback from users pours in, praise echoing each notification. Their hearts swell with pride. They remember the journey and the promise they made. As the sunset casts a warm glow, they stand united, ready to conquer the tech world. This chapter closes, but their journey is just beginning, filled with new adventures ahead.